video I was telling you about, the headband video. So once again, you guys know I'm lazy with the hair, so I did a high ponytail and I just put the headband on it. So this hairstyle is probably 3 weeks old, three and a half weeks old, and I need to wash it, but I just didn't have time to do that. So I went ahead and just kind of put it up in a ponytail, in a high ponytail, twisted my bangs again, and then just put a headband on it. So that's what this video is about. And if you're interested and you want to see the video, definitely keep watching to the end. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. So we're going to start off with my grandma. Say hi to Cheryl. And we're just going to measure her head. And we're doing this just to, of course, to get what the measurement is so you know what you're going to be doing. That's it. Wave before you leave.
Bye.
And right now we're just going to use some stretch fabric that I have. I have so much fabric that's in my closet. So this is just something spare that I had left over. And what you're going to need is scissors. Of course, a tape measure. A ruler. And I almost forgot, a marker. You're going to take that measurement that you had, the 20 inches, and take 2 inches off of it. You're only doing that just because it's stretch fabric. You want it to be snug so that it can fit on. So you'll mark 18 inches. Make a mark. Then you'll make your side straight line. This is just the side line. Because this was scrap fabric, it wasn't straight at the bottom. So I just made a straight line to do that. I love this ruler because it's clear, of course, and it has the measurements on it. I'm going to do 5 inches because when you fold it in half, it'll be 2.5 inches wide. So I'll mark 5 inches the whole way down. And then, of course, create that straight line. Now, I made the line long because I'm doing 2. So from that straight line, I'll just mark up another 5 inches. And of course, make the line, or of course, draw in your straight line. We're done that, and then we're just going to cut it out. So that is as simple as it gets. So here's the 2 pieces, and we're about to go to the serger. I'm just going to put both sides together. Right sides together and serge them. I like everything neat. So let's head over there. And once again, right sides together, serge in the ends. I'll use the serger on stretch fabric, and that can make it a whole lot faster. and neater. And normally when I'm serging, I don't stop in the middle. I'll just keep going with the pieces. So right sides together with the second piece and get it going again. After we're done serging both, then we'll snip. Doesn't it look neat? I love crisp sewing. And here we go. So I don't know where my little tool is to flip it inside out. I don't have it with me right now, so I'm just going to do it the old-fashioned way and kind of ease that thing inside out. So we're all finished. And we're going to take the pieces and fold them, basically. Each piece, fold it. Now pin that. And then you'll do the same thing with the other half, but you're putting it inside. Like you're intertwining them or interlooping them. So you'll put that in the loop, and you'll do the same thing, fold it in half, and pin it at the end. And it'll look like this, like a chain. Chain gang. And of course, since you already know I love serging and making it look neat, I had to do that. Now we can stitch it together, straight across. And that's it, guys. After this stitch is done, the project is over. The headband is finished. And this is what it looks like. This is the finished product. Quick, easy headband in less than 10 minutes. Let me put it on real quick. This is how you put it on real quick. And this is how you turn it up real quick.